Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing this shirt with fringes. It's long sleeve, it's very easy. There is nothing really that's gonna be that difficult, and I'm gonna walk you right through it. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be taking this spandex fabric and also a mesh and fringes. The fringes, I got them from AliExpress. And these ones are 30 centimeters, I believe. And you can get all different sorts of colors depending on what type you want. Now this is a spandex fabric, so it has a lot of stretch to it. I chose this design because it's very pretty. It looks like flames or something like that. And here are the fringes. You should order around like at least 1.5 meters, which I believe are something around 1 yard and 70, something like that. And for the pattern again, like I mentioned in my previous video, the pattern is gonna be from your shirt. So I'm gonna be using this pattern. And for the sleeves, the ordinary pattern for sleeves as well. Nothing that difficult. Yep. Okay, so here I'm just going to cut it out. Now you can save yourself time, and this is the front and also the back piece because I'm lazy and it also went well, so I just used one piece. And you can put fabric in half and cut it out, that way it's going to be much more faster. But my scissors at that time weren't really that good, so I couldn't do it at all. Alright, now I'm cutting out the sleeves from the mesh. The mesh, you can also get what type of color you want, any type of color you want. I went with black because that went the most with the design of the fabric and also with the fringes. And I'm just cutting it out. Now, for this part, we're gonna do the hem. So firstly, you're gonna roll it around and then you're gonna put it through your sewing machine on a zigzag stitch. You don't want to use straight stitch because that's not gonna allow the fabric to stretch. So you're just gonna be using the zigzag stitch at a length. I usually use a 3x3 or 3x4. And you're going to sew it, sorry, you're gonna sew it once, then you're going to fold over and then you're going to sew it again. And you have your hem, very easy, it's just rolled over hem, I think that's what it's called. Now for the fringes are gonna be a bit tricky because I made a mistake here, so you can learn from my mistake. And my mistake was that I left the hem, the wrong side out, so meaning I should have put the hem inside. No, I should have put the hem on the table, and then I should have sewn the fringes, like here on the edge I'm doing. But what instead I did, I put the hem in the inside. Yeah, does it make sense? I hope it does. But here you see here, hem is the outside and I'm just going to sew it, and then you'll see what I mean in a second. What I'm doing here is, this is the outer part of the sleeve, so this is what you see right here. This is what you see right here. So that's why you have to do it the other way around. That's why you have to put the hem has to be on the inside, you know, the cuff, the hem line has to be on the inside. But I didn't realize it at the time, so be careful about this. And this is finished, so now I'm just going to do the whole sleeve. So I'm just going to put the fringes inside and I'm just going to fold it over and serge it together. And also I used the serger on this, but you can use a zigzag stitch as well. Alright, this is how it looks. Very pretty already. I was getting excited by this point. And now for the t-shirt, so it's very easy. You're just going to sew the sides together and that's it. That's all there is to it. That's the whole construction. Oh, and also the top, I'm sorry, I forgot. Now that we have that, we're just going to insert the sleeves, and you do this by having the sleeve the correct side out, and you're going to put it in and pin it in place, and then you're going to sew it, and ta-da! You're almost finished. We're almost there. So here I'm pinning, and you want to take your time with this because it's very tricky. It's very hard to do this. I remember it took me some time to get used to it, and even now I don't like to do sleeves, honestly. So it's very hard to do the sleeves correctly. There are also other techniques that you could try. I think there is one which is easier, and I might do that in the next shirt I'm going to be making. Yeah, that's a good idea. Thank you guys. Thank you. So here it is, sewn together after I serged it, and it looks pretty awesome. As you can see, it looks very nice. It's very impressive. All the, you know, the tassels, you're just gonna love it. I mean, at least I loved it because it's so funny when you dance and it's just like moving, and you can even annoy some people. You shouldn't, but you can, because why not, right? And the last part is only the hemline, and I'm gonna use fold over elastic for this, which is very easy. Fold over on the collar, and we're done. The finished product is right here. I made this video. This is my third time making this video. The previous two times, the first time I was out of focus, and the second time I got drunk because I started to drink wine, and then I got carried away. So unfortunately I wasn't able to do it until today. And by the way, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing, because I think that might be interesting to some of you, or maybe not, but it will be interesting to me. So, you know, I'm filling the gap on YouTube. So this is the shirt. It's from Holo Spandex. Well, very shiny. I hope you can see how shiny it is. It's very shiny. And it's just a regular crop top with, again, black fold over for the contrast. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure. I hope that somebody will watch this video. Except my friends, but they're great, so I don't mind. But they know me and they know about my sewing, because that's all I talk about, except other things, but that's mostly one of the things. So thank you guys again, and I hope you're gonna have a lovely weekend. It's Saturday. Today I'm gonna be seeing Celtic playing, and Mandy and others. Guns for Hire. That's currently also what I'm listening to. Sorry, hardstyle. Check it out, guys, if you don't know. You might like it, you might not. You'll see. Okay. Bye, guys.